Hello, and welcome back to Everyday Finance, where I help people get funding for their business. Now, for today's topic is going to be about how to get a business loan. Now, to apply for a business loan from a bank, well, first of all banks are different and have different requirements. But for basic information, you will have to have good credit before a bank would even consider your application. But you shouldn't be using your personal credit, but rather your business credit whenever you're doing business. But we all have to start from somewhere, right? But it should be through your business credit, in which I can help with that as well. I will put a link in the description on how you should structure your business the correct way once you get the ball rolling, so you don't have to use your personal credit. For example, if you have a business and plan on buying a new car, you should be doing it through your business and not your personal credit. As a business owner, you should not be putting anything in your name. Nothing. Yes, not even your home. That should also be in your business name. You don't own nothing. The business should own everything for tax reasons. That way, you can write off everything. You will need to have a business license to apply for a loan. It is often requested by lenders to show the legitimacy and the legality of the business, along with a state corporation license, a business bank account. You will need to have a business license to get a business bank account. Go to City Hall and ask what you need to start a business. They will give you a sheet of paper of what you need, so don't worry. And also, business insurance. You probably can do that later, but you will look very good with these things in hand already. You want to look professional as possible. Second, you need your business name, of course. You can name it whatever you want to name it. The IRS don't care about what the name of your business. That is not what is important to them. Only your income is what they care about. Next, you will need a tax ID number. Now, to obtain one, you will need to contact the IRS by phone or by website. You should already have your business name picked out before asking for a tax ID number, so that they can attach the name to your newly formed business. Next, what you will need to apply for a business loan with a bank, and of course, a business plan. Yes, a business plan. You don't have a track record because you are a new business. You have to have a business plan. And yes, they want to see what you are going to do with their money. They are not just going to give it to you. I mean, think about it. Would you just give a person money, or at least a large amounts of money, and the person have no proof of income whatsoever? Probably not. These banks out here feel the same way, and also in detail on what you are going to do with it, down to the very penny. Trust me, these banks out here are not playing. They will quickly deny you if you don't have these things in order. But see, that is why I told you earlier in the video that you need to do everything in your business name, meaning your business credit and not your personal credit once you get rolling. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you and say that it will be easy. 80% of small business loans are rejected by banks. Yes, 80%. That is a lot, so do not think it will be a walk in the park. It will be tough for you to get a loan from a bank, so there will be a high chance you will be denied. That's just how it is to them. You are a high-risk investment with no track record whatsoever, so just be prepared for that. Now, if you've been to all the big banks, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase, for the most part, they may, or in most cases, have or will deny you. Don't worry, there are some alternatives you could try. The first one is the SBA, the Small Business Administration. Now, whatever city or county or state you live in, it's usually a SBA office where you reside. Now, you may be saying, I've tried that. I've tried just about everything you mentioned in this video. I don't want to give up, but I'm out of options. It seems like it's nowhere to go. I just want a better life for me and my family. Well, don't worry. I have done some digging around, and I'll admit it is hard to get anybody to fund you when you are fresh out the gate with no experience and no track record. But I have partnered up with this company called Torro. Now, I know most of you may have not heard of this company before, including myself, but listen up, as this might be the one shot you need to get going. This business funds brand new businesses. Yes, brand new businesses. So no track record needed. And the best part about it, that it's not a bank, but an alternative financial service provider. So you have a way better chance to go with this company. No revenue is required. And best of all, no restricted industries. That is great news. They fund any industry. So you should be excited for this. I will leave the link in the description under Startup Business Funding. So make sure you go there and check it out. And as always, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button. Share this video with others who you think can use this information. Because I promise you, they probably will thank you in the end. And last but not least, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. I will talk with you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace. Yeah, bro.